guys, you're joining me today. I wanted to do this video for quite a while. I'm gonna show you 5 stuff that I hate about my Volvo 850. Number 1. Guys, number 1 would be fuel consumption. This is a big deal. So this car consumes so much fuel. Mine has been tuned a little bit, so it consumes even more. It's so expensive. Fuel nowadays is super expensive, so I'm trying not to drive this car as much. Number 2 would be how expensive this car is to maintain. I got this car for 1,000 euros and I put maybe 4,000 in it already. And there's been so much going on. For example, like a heater core, 200 euros. Coil is like 200 euros. Yeah, all these stuff are super expensive. I know it might not sound expensive for you, but don't forget that I'm broke. So that's gonna be number 3 out of a lot. So something else I don't like about this car is just the general exterior condition. This is more about my exact car. I love the shapes and everything, but when you take a closer look, well, you can see what I'm talking about. I mean, there is so much going on that I have to repair, and yeah, I just hate that I have to put so much money in it. I just want to drive it, but I know that's impossible. And guys, if you want to see some more videos about cars, Volvos, and just like old school cars in general, you can make sure to follow me, subscribe to my channel, maybe like this video. You're gonna help me a lot. So the next one will be everything rattles in here. Hope you will be able to hear, but everything rattles, you know? I know it's a 25-year-old car. It rides so well, but it's just so loud. Lots of squeaks, lots of rattles, but in general, man, I love this car. I want to keep it forever. It's so comfy, it's so nice. AC is blowing right now. Seats are great. It's fast. For me at least. It's just so much fun. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel. Maybe leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. What can I do better? What was good? If you want to support the channel, you can find a link in the description. Thank you guys, and yeah, keep them old cars alive.